Good morning from the WordPress TV team. This is a short tutorial on how to edit WordCamp videos using iMovie. Let's go to our Launchpad and start iMovie. Need to reposition this slightly. And we're going to create a new event. So Control click, new event. There it is right there. And then before I add any files or anything, I need to explain how someone might obtain WordCamp videos. The WordPress Foundation sends out camera kits to each WordCamp, 3 to 4 kits, and those are shot by volunteers, and the data, the files are collected afterwards and uploaded to a Amazon server, which is then available to team members of WordPress TV. You can download those from this site, or you can obtain them directly from the WordCamp prior to the camera kits being shipped back. Also the slides. Normally speakers will provide a link to slides during their presentation. Slide deck, speaker deck, or slide share, speaker deck, other presentation sharing websites. If they're not there, you can contact the presenter, the speaker, and ask if they would be willing to send you their presentation. These can then be converted to JPEG files. Various websites will do that. Keynote will export to JPEG format. PowerPoint will do the same thing. And like I said, there are several websites available. So we go to iMovie and we click New and Movie. And we're just going to double click this one, No Theme. And we're going to call it WC iMovie. And OK. And then we're going to click Import Media. And I am going to go to my computer and Documents. And here I have a folder set up with the files that I need. So here I have a short video that I prepared for this demonstration. An intro panel and an outro panel was used, and these can be created on a Google Docs page that you will have access to. And I'm just going to choose these ones right now for demonstration purposes. So you can see here there's a timeline here in the middle and then one above. So let's take our intro panel and drag it down to the middle. And you can see that this is set at 4 seconds. Let's reduce the zoom on our timeline first, and then choose the video clip and drag it down, and then using the backward and forward buttons here, let's place our outro panel. And even though it looks like there's a small gap between the video and the outro intro panels, there actually is none. And let's go ahead and play what we have so far. Now you'll notice that it looks like the looks like the slide is fading, receding into the background, and that is known as the Ken Burns effect, and you have to turn that off for every slide. Here it is by default, and we just want to click Fit. Let's go over to the last one. Same thing, go up to Crop and Fill, and then go back to the beginning. And you'll see that the Ken Burns effect is turned off now. Now let's go back, and we're going to add slides. And like I said, I just chose some random slides for this video, and here they are. If you're lucky, you'll be able to see a corner of the display screen or presentation, and that will give you some guidance as to when to place the slides. In this video, and this is not uncommon, you cannot see the screen, so what you're going to have to do is listen and place the slides as the speaker starts to talk about them. Here again, you have to go up and turn off the Ken Burns effect. So as you're listening to the presentation and you're placing your slides, just stop, go up and click on your slide and drag it down. And you'll notice that you can increase or decrease the length that the slide is shown over the presentation. Here you can see it increasing and decreasing as I slide it back and forth. They come in at 4 seconds, but you can increase that as needed. When you come across a slide that may have several bullet points, such as this one, and you drag it down, depending on how much information is contained on the slide, we need to turn off the Ken Burns effect. You can either lengthen this slide or place it a second time so that the people watching the video will get all of the bullet points. And let's turn the Ken Burns effect off again. There are cases where you will place 2 slides back to back, and you will notice that there is no gap between the 2 slides. So once you are completely done, you'll save it, and then you'll want to export the file. Up at the top is the Share button, and you can see here that you can set the quality here and the resolution. Of course, the bigger the resolution, the bigger the actual slide or the video file is going to be. And then you will upload that to this web page on the WordPress TV website, and this is actually on the WordPress TV website, and you fill out the appropriate information, choose this file, and then it will be reviewed and then published. And I think that is pretty much it as far as